AI or artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent machines that can work and think like humans. These machines are designed to perform tasks that are typically only done by humans, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. AI is based on the idea of creating machines that can learn from experience and improve on their own without being explicitly programmed. AI is divided into two main categories: narrow or weak AI and general or strong AI. Narrow or weak AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as image recognition or natural language processing. General or strong AI, on the other hand, is designed to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. AI systems use a variety of techniques to learn and improve. These include machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. Machine learning is a technique that uses statistical algorithms to enable machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks to enable machines to learn and improve on their own. Neural networks are computer systems that are designed to work like the human brain. AI has many applications in various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. In healthcare, AI can be used to diagnose diseases and develop new treatments. In finance, AI can be used to detect fraudulent activities and improve investment decisions. In transportation, AI can be used to improve traffic flow and reduce accidents. In entertainment, AI can be used to create more realistic video games and virtual reality experiences. Despite its many benefits, AI also poses some risks. These include job displacement, bias, and security risks. As AI continues to develop, it is important for people to consider these risks and work to mitigate them. In conclusion, AI is a rapidly developing field that has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives. By creating intelligent machines that can work and think like humans, AI has the potential to revolutionize industries and improve our quality of life. However, as with any new technology, it is important to be aware of its potential risks and work to address them. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence to complete. AI has been a topic of interest for decades, but it is only in recent years that it has really taken off. There are many different types of AI, each with its own unique strengths and weaknesses. Here are some of the most common. 1. Rule-based AI. This type of AI is based on a set of rules or instructions that the machine follows to make decisions. It is often used in simple applications like chatbots or decision trees. 2. Machine learning. Machine learning is an AI technique that uses algorithms to analyze data and learn from it. This allows machines to make predictions or decisions based on patterns in the data. 3. Deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses neural networks to analyze large amounts of data. This allows machines to learn and recognize patterns in ways that are similar to humans. 4. Natural language processing. Natural language processing is an AI technique that allows machines to understand and interpret human language. This is used in applications like chatbots or voice assistants. 5. Robotics. Robotics is an area of AI that focuses on developing machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, like walking, talking, and problem-solving. AI has many practical applications, including 1. Healthcare. AI can be used to help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly, and to develop personalized treatment plans for patients. 2. Transportation. AI is used in self-driving cars to help them navigate and make decisions on the road. 3. Finance. AI is used in applications like fraud detection and financial forecasting. 4. Marketing and sales. AI is used in applications like personalized product recommendations and customer service chatbots. 5. Manufacturing. AI is used in factories to help optimize production and reduce waste. AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries and change the way we live and work. However, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on jobs, privacy, and ethics. As AI continues to develop and become more advanced, It will be important to address these issues and ensure that AI is used in a responsible and beneficial way. AI or artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. AI systems can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on that data. AI technology can be divided into two main categories. 1. Narrow or weak AI. It refers to AI systems that can perform a single task or a set of tasks very efficiently. For instance, Siri or Alexa can understand your voice commands and provide useful information as a response to your queries. Similarly, the spam filter in your email recognizes which messages are spam and filters them out. 2. General or strong AI. It refers to an AI system that can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. This type of AI is not yet available, but various researchers and tech companies are working towards developing it. There are various techniques and methods used to create AI systems, including machine learning. It is a method of teaching an AI system by feeding it large amounts of data and enabling it to learn from that data without explicit instructions. Neural networks. It is an AI system that works like the human brain. It consists of multiple layers of interconnected nodes that can process and analyze vast amounts of data. Natural language processing, NLP. It is an AI technology that can understand, interpret, and generate human language. Robotics. It combines AI technology with mechanical engineering to create robots that can perform tasks typically done by humans. AI is used in various applications, such as healthcare. AI technology is used to diagnose diseases, assist in surgeries, and develop new medicines. Finance. AI is used to detect fraudulent transactions, predict stock prices, and perform risk analysis. Transportation. AI technology is used in self-driving cars and other autonomous vehicles. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots are used to provide customer service and support. Overall, AI is an emerging technology that has the potential to revolutionize many industries and change the way we live our lives.